Yo, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. I'm just gonna get straight to the point because who wants to wait? So anyways, I just bought a Canon filter high flow for my car. I want to see if it does increase any bit of horsepower or acceleration. I heard that it gets a little bit of crackles and pops. I want to see, you know what I mean? But before I put that in, I'm probably gonna show you guys, I'm gonna see if you guys can hear how it sounds before and then how it sounds after, you know what I mean? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna see if I can take that the GoPro mount, slap it on there. I don't know, you know, if you hear something or whatever difference, but I'm gonna do it before and after, and I'll catch you guys in 2 seconds. I'm just gonna hold the GoPro while I'm driving in sports mode, and it's gonna be before I put the can in. So here you go. All right, so we are currently in sports mode and I have not installed the filter yet. So let's see if you can hear something different from the cabin, and then I'm gonna take the mount and put it outside. All right, so now we're gonna put the Canon flow in. Basically, we're gonna unscrew that one, and unscrew that one. It's only 3 screws. Gonna unscrew this, and then the last one on the right side. There you go. This is the air filter. It's ugly and dirty, so we're about to replace that with the Canon high flow filter. All right, so like that, let's drop it in. Good to go. Close it up. Let's be quiet. 3, 2, 1.
Testing. System ready.
Okay, so what I'm noticing right now is that the throttle response is pretty fast. It's faster than before. Listen to it, watch the deep tone, and I'm gonna compare the videos from before stock and after. All right. that's the end of the video, and basically it does increase some power, some throttle response, some, you know, improvement in noise. But overall, I really recommend you guys get a Canon filter, especially if you guys have not replaced yours and yours is dirty or whatever. But if you want a little bit more throttle response and all that goodness, get that Canon. I'm telling you, it is worth it. But anyways, thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys, you know, if you guys do get it and it is because of me, let me know. Comment down, and if you like the video, of course, you know, stay tuned, man. Stay tuned, man. I got a lot of things coming. So, but anyways, I catch you guys. Peace.